Hello and welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. If you want to increase your knowledge of maths and wish to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon at the right bottom of the screen. So let's get started with today's topic on slope of a line. This video is a continuation of concepts on coordinate geometry, and the link to previous videos is already provided in the description of this video. So do go through those videos before going through this video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how we can prove the slope of a line formula. Then we'll look into how to find slope of a generic line. Then sign of slope of a line depending on how inclined the line is. Then slope of parallel and perpendicular lines. And then we'll look into a couple of solved problems. We'll start with finding slope of a line given 2 points, given equation of a line. We'll try to find a variable given the slope of the line. Then finding equation of a line parallel to a line and passing through a specific point. And the similar thing we'll try for a perpendicular line also. So let's start with proof of slope of a line formula. So let's say we have the xy coordinate plane and there are 2 points A and B. There's a line L which passes through these 2 points, and coordinates of point A are given by x1, y1, and coordinates of point B are given by x2, y2. Now let's say the slope of the line is m. Now, if we drop a perpendicular from B towards x-axis and a perpendicular from A opposite to y-axis to intersect at the point C, then we are going to complete a right angle triangle. And let's say angle BAC is equal to theta degree. Now, slope of the line is given by tan theta, which is nothing but equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which becomes BC by AC. And if you see BC, this height is y2, height of C is y1, making this distance as y2 minus y1. So BC becomes y2 minus y1 divided by AC. Now, distance of this point from y-axis is x2. Distance of this point from y-axis is x1, making this distance as x2 minus x1. Making the denominator AC as x2 minus x1. That's why the value of slope of a line is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's see how we can find slope of a generic line. So given a generic equation of a line ax plus by plus c, we need to find the slope of the line which is given as n. Now we know generic equation of the line is given by y is equal to mx plus b, not the same b, but this is how we denote the generic equation of the line. So if we try to write this equation in this form, so we can say by is equal to minus ax plus c, or y is equal to minus a by bx plus c by b. So that means given a generic equation of the line, the slope will be given by minus a by b, and this will be equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So given a generic equation of the line, the slope of the line is given by minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Let's see what are the different signs of slope of a line given how inclined the line is. So if the line is tilted towards right, as shown in the figure, then the line will have a positive slope. If the line is tilted towards left, as shown in the figure, then the line will have negative slope. If the line is parallel to x-axis, then the line will have zero slope. And if the line is perpendicular to x-axis, then the line will have undefined or infinite slope. So given how inclined the line is, this is how we can go and find the sign of slope of a line. Now let's see slope of parallel and perpendicular lines. So let's say we have two parallel lines, then their slopes will be equal. So let's say we have line L1 given by y is equal to m1x plus b1, and we have line L2 given by y is equal to m2x plus b2. Since the two lines are parallel, so their slopes will be equal. That means m1 will be equal to m2. Similarly, if we have two lines which are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. Let's say we have the same lines L1 and L2. So in this case, L1 is a vertical line and L2 is a line which is perpendicular to line L1. Since the two lines are perpendicular, so that means M1 multiplied by M2 will be equal to -1. Now let's try to solve some problems based on the concepts of slopes. So this problem is based on finding slope of a line given 2 points. We need to find the slope of the line passing through 2 points 1, 3 and 3, 5. Now we know that slope m of the line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where this point is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. That means this is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 2 divided by 2, which is 1. That means slope of this line will be equal to 1. Now find the slope of a line given equation of a line. So in this case, a generic equation of a line is given to us, which is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. And we need to find the slope of the line. Now, based on the formula we learned, we know that slope of the line will be equal to minus of coefficient of x, which is 2, divided by coefficient of y, which is 3. So slope of this line will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Now find value of a variable given the slope of a line. So line with slope 2 passes through the points x, 5 and 2, x, and we need to find the value of x. Now we know slope is given by y2 minus y1, which is x minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus x. So if we cross multiply, we will get x minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 2x, or x plus 2x is equal to 4 plus 5, which is 9. 3x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 3. That means the value of x in this case will be equal to 3. Now find equation of a line parallel to a line and passing through a point. So we need to find equation of a line which is parallel to the line given by 2x plus 4y is equal to 5 and passes through the point 2, 3. Now since the line is parallel to 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, that means the slope will be same as slope of this line. Now slope of this line m will be given by minus of coefficient of x, which is 2, divided by coefficient of y, which is 4. So slope will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Since the other line is parallel to this line, that means slope will also be equal to minus 1 by 2. And it is passing through this point, right? And we know equation of a line is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where y1 is equal to 3, m is equal to minus 1 by 2, and x1 is equal to 2. So if we cross multiply, 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2, or x plus 2y is equal to 8 will be the equation of a line which is parallel to 2x plus 4y is equal to 5 and passes through the point 2, 3. Now we need to find equation of a line perpendicular to line and passing through a point. So again, the same line is given to us, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, and it passes through this point. We already know slope of this line is equal to minus 1 by 2. That means slope m1 of a line perpendicular to this line will be given by m1 multiplied by m is equal to minus 1. So m1 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. That means m1 will be equal to 2. So the equation of the line will be given by y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 2, or y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4, or y minus 2x is equal to minus 1 will be the equation of the line which is perpendicular to 2x plus 4y is equal to 5 and passes through the point 2, 3. Hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching this video.